What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and you know Xbox Game Pass. Well, Game Pass for PC wanted to sponsor today's video, so I flew all the way out to California to let my man Austin over here know.
Hi.
Did you know?
Did I know what?
Game Pass has games for PC?
Wait, I can play Xbox Game Pass games on PC?
Yes, absolutely.
Can we build 4 PCs to help let the world know about Xbox Game Pass for PC?
I was about to say you're taking this too far, but it's genius. All right, guys, so it's decided. We're gonna be building 4 gaming PCs to show that Game Pass has games for PC.
And to start out with, we'll be focusing on Back 4 Blood, a brand new game, which is of course coming to Game Pass for PC.
And for those of you who aren't familiar with Back 4 Blood, it's a multiplayer first-person shooter with various characters, better known as cleaners, who are at war against creatures called the Ridden. The basic idea is to survive and get rid of them all with the help of some friends. So Austin and I are going to be tackling this Back 4 Blood challenge together, building 4 PCs based on different cleaners in the game, and I'm telling you guys, this is a wild ride you don't want to miss. And this is going to be the first in a series of challenges Austin and I are going to be tackling thanks to the folks over at Game Pass. And while we purposely butcher it a ton in this video, the truth is Game Pass has PC games. And we're going to be putting some really awesome PCs together. So if you guys want to see the shenanigans that ensue from all the challenges, make sure you're subscribed here and also Austin's channel. That'll be linked down below in the description.
Your flight leaves in 28 hours from now? Okay, so we just have to build 4 PCs, custom theme them for Back 4 Blood, and then ship them off to a certain cadre of people that I think we're gonna talk about later that we can't talk about yet.
Yeah.
Atlanta Hawks.
So there we have it, you guys. We're gonna build these 4 PCs. Well, we've got very limited time, but we're gonna jump into this hobby shop so we can do some customizations.
So we started off at this hobby store where we got all kinds of paint and props, but then we went to this supply shop that had all kinds of survival gear, which is absolutely what we're trying to go for here. So after we wrapped up, we had to head over to Austin's studio.
Okay, guys, so check it out. We got our 4 PCs over here. Big shout out to our guy, Jared, who did a lot of hunting them down.
Yo!
So he got all of the stuff together for us, so we're pretty much...
While we were busy driving around, sitting in line for food, he's like, I got all the PC parts. I just gotta say, I feel like we are compensating right now, because look, we got 3 little bags. Jared's got all this. There's a little compensation going on right now. I'm just saying, not on my side. I'm fine. I'm very confident.
With your rubber duckies, right?
Look, man. This is the picture of confidence in life. We gotta paint Doc's system,
Yeah,
right?
we know actual paint is going to be touching this. We definitely want to get to this one first.
I like the aesthetic of Holly's system. We can keep this one a little bit more intact with some smaller things.
Yeah.
This just looks military. We've got the handles. It's already a used case. We can kind of scuff it up a little bit.
I mean, Walker's got the wear part down.
Yeah, Walker, I mean, we're just gonna basically beating up the chassis, making it look like it's really been worn.
So we'll get our overall vibe for each one, and then go from there.
We gotta have the drip.
We've got some drip in here.
We got the, I'm out of lingo that the kids say these days.
Sauce?
They still say sauce? They probably still say sauce, right?
They say sauce, right?
Yeah. Hello, it's Austin and Judd.
Where's my
You're friendly
backwards
local kids.
How do you do, fellow kids?
Let's do Walker's first, yeah.
All right.
This one's gonna be kind of the easier one, in that it doesn't really matter what we do, it'll probably always be fine. Judd, I want to have a little exercise here. Imagine someone tries to tell you that teal is a bad color. How does that make you feel? Teal is a bad color, Judd. Teal is inferior.
Cut it out, Austin.
It's inferior.
Ooh.
Oh, okay.
Get a little too crazy over here. That's it.
Sorry. Teal's a decent color. Teal's a decent color.
So we want to do rust, right?
It makes sense, right? Like if this thing has been out, it's been kind of weathered. Like I feel like a little bit of maybe like white/silver, a little bit of brown. We almost could mix it up a little bit and just kind of like. Have you ever weathered anything before?
I've never weathered anything.
Cool, neither have I. I assume that's how you weather things, is you make them brown.
Yeah.
Ow, that's really sharp.
Oh, up here? Yeah. Oh, yeah, but definitely be careful.
It's okay, I'll put some of my actual blood on it. See? Oh, actually, I've got real blood.
Oh.
We're back for blood! We're back for blood! I have my blood on the system! Excellent! I'll be right back. I'm gonna go investigate that med kit that we bought earlier. Oh, actual blood!
Oh,
here, wait.
okay,
Here you go.
Can we ship this PC?
There you go. There's some of my actual blood on the system now.
Just lose some blood in the process. Damn.
So for the dock build, I think this one's actually gonna be a little bit more straightforward. I think we really just go do a
Yeah.
straight cross and we just call it.
That's it. All right, I feel like we get one shot for this. Paint for your life.
That's not terrible. I'd say maybe a little
It could be longer,
A little
though,
longer.
right?
That's good though. That's good. That's good. That's actually pretty good. That's pretty good. Wait.
What?
Wait. Okay, so you realize that her bag is red and she has a white cross on it, not she has a white
Listen,
case and red.
Austin, a red cross is universal. Okay, it's the inverse.
Yeah, this
So-
is our creative vision,
Right.
was to do the opposite of what she has in the game. The cleaners don't play by the rules, why would we? The only rules we
Exactly.
play by is that Game Pass for PC has PC games for Xbox, or some variation of that phrase. Let's keep going. I like it, Judd. I like it. We're
too.
on point here.
Very proud of this. Thank you. All right, Austin, so now we're moving on to Holly, right?
Yes, sir. This would be like the cool aesthetic system. You know, obviously this case isn't tremendously popular, and a lot of the components that we're putting inside are as well. You know, like we've got like the AIO here. It's gonna have an actual screen on it, so we can put a little GIF or something on it. Same thing with the actual graphics card. We have a little display. I mean, I guess it's up to you. I don't think we really weathered this case too much or anything.
No, Holly has a pretty clean look, I'd say.
Yeah.
At this point, I'm feeling pretty good. We got some of the painting down for 2 cases, but we still had 2 more to go, and Hoffman was next.
You know what, Judd? Yeah. Some might call you a cleaner right now.
Ooh.
Are you ready for the 4? Yeah, that's what it says. Oh.
You like that?
I don't think we touched that one.
Uh-huh.
That's back for blood right there.
Do a little.
Yeah.
There we go.
We're back for blood, baby. Can I do a little bit of a handprint? Oh. Like 3 fingers, 4 fingers back for blood. Like this, and then just let go.
Up. Yep.
Oh, yo, that's pretty good.
Oh, Austin, yeah, man. All right, guys, so Austin actually has to get out of here pretty soon. We've done a little bit for each PC, but you're gonna leave in like an hour.
Yeah.
Which means there's a lot riding on tomorrow.
I feel like we've had a chill day so far, and it's been fun and everything. Fun's over.
Yeah.
It's work time. It's time to tell people about why Game Pass for PC has PC games.
Jay, put the camera down, man.
Come on!
Help
What
us
are you
out.
doing? You're just watching? I'm the cameraman. No, you're the workman today.
So day 1 was cool. We got a lot of painting done, but not much building. So the panic started to set in. We actually need to put these computers together.
All right, guys, so we're back in Austin's spot. We got our caffeine going, ready to work.
You know we had to do it to him.
We're pretty far along though, I would say. We just gotta get a lot of the parts inside of here, inside of each of the PCs. This one, Jared's been going to town on, so we're pretty far ahead with that. We're not doing too much with the props there. We've got some progress on dock as well.
Yeah.
We need to add some more flair to it, something that screams dock. We got we got this.
So like, this one will be kind of similar to Holly's, a little bit more of a traditionally cool-looking PC build.
Right.
And of course, you know, this case has sort of the handle.
I mean,
it already has
the handle
some of the
is
aesthetic.
so perfect, yeah. So the fact that that's built into it and it's not even something we needed to add, I think really screams dock.
Now, of course, I didn't leave it all to Austin, even though he's the PC guy. Your boy got his hands dirty too, and I went to town on Doc's build.
I'll be here for moral support.
Yeah, perfect. This will be just like when we're back home, Jay, and I got an Austin video in the background while I'm putting together the PC.
Judd, you can do it. Other chance and cool stuff. Judd. All right, friends. SSD installed?
Yes, sir.
Love it. All right, let's yoink off this cooler and let's throw an actual CPU in.
So we actually thought we were making some serious progress, but we tried to get Windows booted up on one of the PCs, but unfortunately we could not get it to boot, but time was running out and we couldn't spend too much time on it. We had to physically finish the other builds, so things are getting a little crazy.
So right now we're working on the build that I'm the most excited for. This is Hoffman's. Let's see, we've got our board in.
Yep.
We've got our cooler almost
Mostly,
in.
Yep, power supply, we've got all of our fans in place. This one actually will be bootable 15 minutes?
Yeah, I'd say so.
I'm just getting flashbacks to all the times I'm like, don't build PCs on carpet. Do this in an area without carpet. Don't build on carpet if you can avoid it. Try not to build on carpet.
It's
fine. Don't worry about it. It's okay.
It'll be okay.
It'll be okay.
All right, guys, so right now we are actually taking on Walker's build. We've got this tiny little cooler over here. It's gonna sit on top of it since we've got pretty limited space.
We also have it, and we need a cooler right now, and we don't have time to go buy another one, so...
We're also just making it work.
Yeah.
Very Walker. Once we get Walker down, we'll pretty much be able to just fine-tune RGBs and any of the aesthetic pieces that we want to add to them. And then we'll have the big reveal. All right, so we made a lot of progress on Walker's build, but this thing is going to be what's interesting here. It's a giant graphics card. We obviously don't have a lot of space here.
I'll hold cables if you just stuff it in.
Alrighty, here we go.
Oh no, it's not gonna clear that fan, is it?
No. Wait. No, it just can't.
It's so close. The only thing we can do is swap out the Red Devil with a lower end card.
But that's okay though, because Back 4 Blood can run on
lower.
Exactly. So
what do we? Okay, so if we can find literally a GPU here, if we go 5600 XT, it's well above the minimum spec for the game. So this is a, I would say, mid-range card, maybe a little on the lower end right now, but we don't really have another option, and also it'll be a great test to see how well Back 4 Blood scales across different systems.
Right, and not everybody has like higher end software, hardware anyway, so.
We're just evaluating how well Back 4 Blood works on a variety of different hardware. That's all that we're doing right now.
Yeah, exactly.
We definitely meant to do this. We're gonna cut out this, we'll just blur this card. That doesn't exist.
What's this? All right, so with this glue drying, we're pretty much done.
I can't believe we actually pulled this off.
We did it. We've got 4 PCs completely customized, built out, with Windows installed. 22 hours. Come on now. We did that. And
let's just hope they show up in one piece when we ship them out.
Oh my God. If they don't show up in one piece, I don't want to know about it. So here's what we're gonna do. Let's take a closer look at what we put together. All right, you guys, the moment you've been waiting for. We spent some time on this.
So 24 hours.
Right? So here they are. These are the 4 Back 4 Blood PCs. Austin and I put our hearts and soul into it, and Jared and Jay held the camera down.
Yeah.
So let's talk about what we've got going on over here, right? So we've got Doc's build, which, if you see the Doc's character, she's the medic. She has her little first aid kit in her hand. So we kind of felt like, you know, let's give her something super portable. Kind of screams doctor on the side. Nice white and red with the RGBs inside as well. What are your thoughts on this build, Austin?
So with all of these, I wish we had another 24 hours. And I'm sure they would all have been much better than the time we've had. I'm really happy with how it came out. Doc's is clean, it's to the point, it's not super weathered, she obviously takes care of this. It's got the paint on the side, but really what this thing's about is the aesthetics and the performance. Right. On this side, Walker is, well, we got a little bit more creative with Walkers. You know, by necessity, really.
Honestly, yes. He's somebody who's out there on the field, getting rid of Ridden. And you know, this guy has seen some things. He's been through battle. As you can see, it's got some legitimate battle scars, some wounds. You know, that's just who he is. He's the soldier guy.
Now, Hoffman was the one that I had the least confidence going in with.
I was so ready for Hoffman. I felt like he was gonna look awesome.
Well, you were right. There's a lot that actually gives this some real texture, and you've got the little reset button.
Yeah, it's like a little doomsday device. Like, all right, we gotta pull the plug on everything, get rid of everything.
Restart.
You know? And like, that's Hoffman's character. He's the prepper. He's the one who wants to make sure everything is in place and he's good to go in case of any emergency. You know, thus the idea of having like extra supplies and tools all along with him. We've got the white light on the inside, like, you know, flashlight kind of thing. He's ready. That's Hoffman.
Holly, I mean, this is the best build. I don't think there's any doubt. Like, this is the actual nicest system, not only hardware-wise, but also I just think aesthetically. Like, The other ones are, like been beat up or like,
Yeah.
they've been painted. This one is clean. This one is all about the LEDs, the LCDs.
Yeah, so I feel like this one is what we would expect a gaming PC to look like in today's age.
Yeah.
So it's got all the things that you would expect, nothing, no extra props or anything, but we still styled it towards Holly, just using modern day PC equipment.
The main thing is, we really tried to build 4 distinctive systems, not just 4 PCs in the same chassis with different colors.
Right.
Like each one of these is totally unique. Some are better than others. Some could have probably used a few more hours in the oven, but it's fine. We had the challenge, and now it's time to ship this off to that famous team from Atlanta and see how they feel about it, and hopefully they can enjoy some sweet Back for Blood action.
They're gonna be playing on Game Pass since it has games for PCs. Guys, did you know Game Pass has PC games?
PC games for Xbox, Game Pass, PC, Game Pass.
Exactly. But if you guys want to learn more, we'll of course have links down below in the description so you can subscribe to Game Pass and of course check out all of the games that are available. There are, I think, over 100 titles.
Coming Back for Blood now. Maybe some other big ticket titles coming for Game Pass for PC soon. Forza, Halo.
Huge shout out to this guy for jumping on. Subscribe to his channel. You guys can see a bit more of the stress that we went through in his video. So definitely check that out, it was pretty fun.
And if you enjoy the content, well, you're in the right place because we got some more PCs to build.
Till next video, guys, it's your average consumer and Austin Evans. Peace.
Let's go to sleep now. I'm just ready for
I'm ready.
a nap.
Well, you gotta take me home, man.
I'll drive you to the airport and then I'm taking a nap.